Well, hey, folks, how's it all going? And oh man, what do you got going on here? Well, I'll tell you what, folks. I think I'm taking one for the team here, trying this one out. I saw this in the store today, and what caught my eye was pork tenderloin Cajun style. Ooh, that sounded good. But then I kind of looked at it, and it said cook and bag. I said, oh, okay. And I was about ready to put it back because I thought this is something you drop like in some hot water or something like that. And then I turned it over to look at the instructions, and here it is. And it says to put it in the oven. Preheat oven to 450. Line rim baking sheet with aluminum roll foil in case juices spill out during. Remove all labels. That's the stuff. Package and place bag in baking pan with the flat side up. That must be that side up. And then do not cut holes. Roast for 30 minutes. All right, so why not? Take one for the team here. I've got some Hawaiian rolls and some pork tenderloin sandwiches. Cajun style sound mighty tasty, don't they? But we're gonna cook this in a bag. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm about to do this. So we're gonna do it in the Cosori air fryer, toaster, roaster, oven, and give you a look-see as we proceed. All right, I did the preheat at 450, and I'm glad that I'm doing this because if you watch my last video on here, I did those big half-pound burgers, and I used the broiler, and I had grease all over the place. So, and I cleaned on it, and I just want to make sure I get all the grease out of it, and this will help. So, I've got a throwaway aluminum pan in there. I usually reuse those or wash them at least once or twice before I throw them away. This is just awkward putting something in there that's, wrapped in plastic. So, here we go, flat side up. I am not going to leave because I'm afraid of this starting on fire. So I'm just going to keep on, I'm going to stay right here. I'll give you a look-see. All right, so we're at 15 and a half minutes here, and you can see it's cooking. And I can see down in the pan, nothing spilled out. And the smell in here is fantastic. It's like pork tenderloin cooking. So this is kind of a surprise. So it says 30 minutes. We're halfway through. I'll go to 5 minutes, get another look-see, and then another 5 minutes, take it off, and let's eat. All right, she's sizzling away in there. It smells fantastic. 5 minutes to go, and it looks like there might be something that leaked out. I can't tell from the bottom of the pan, but it's bottom of the pan is brown, but there's nothing boiling in there. I'm just gonna let it be. And I can see inside the bag on this corner that there is something boiling inside the bag. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna take it to the max at 30 minutes, take it out, let it rest for 5, and then cut it and give you a look-see. Well, there it is, folks. 30 minutes on there, and I don't know what to say. And I've been sitting here on the tray now for about 5 minutes, and I figured out why I could smell everything, because you can see it, there's vents in this bag. That's why you got to put this the flat top up, because it vents out any moisture or anything like that. So we're gonna get it out of the bag, get it sliced up, make some sandwiches. And oh man, there it is. I tell you what, cooked in a plastic bag, that is done. And the juice you see there, open of the bag, and that's what came out of the bag. This is the pork tenderloin Cajun, and I cook in the bag. I did it in the Cosori. That's awesome. And look at these sandwiches. Look at that. That is just, oh man, look at that. Look at that. Get my Hawaiian rolls. Oh, folks, I'll tell you what. I won't bother you with a taste test because I know it's going to be great. But this is cooked in plastic. You can say whatever you want. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up. Leave a comment, and as always, I always appreciate you watching. Thank you.